In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to your card.co website, enhancing its visual appeal and making it more interactive. Adding a GIF can be a great way to capture visitors' attention, and I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. So let's jump in and get started. First off, you'll want to find a GIF that you'd like to include on your website. This could be sourced from various sites across the internet. Make sure to choose a GIF that complements the theme and purpose of your site. Once you've found the perfect GIF, download it to your computer. It's important to have this file saved and easily accessible as you'll need it in the next steps. Next, head over to card.so and open the Card editor. If you're not already familiar, Card is a platform that allows you to build simple, responsive websites, perfect for anything from personal profiles to landing pages. Launching the editor is quite straightforward. Just log in and select the site you want to edit, or start a new one if you're beginning from scratch. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to incorporate that GIF we downloaded earlier. Look for the Add Element button, usually located at the top or side of your editing interface. Click this button and you'll see an array of options. From these, select Image. This is crucial because in the Card editor, GIFs are treated as image files. With the image element selected, click on the Upload option. A pop-up window should appear, allowing you to browse your computer's files. Navigate to where you saved your chosen GIF, select the file and upload it. It's as simple as that. This automated process ensures the GIF is now part of your site's media library. The next step is optional but highly recommended to improve accessibility and SEO. You can add a title and alternate text to your GIF. A good title provides context, while alternate text ensures that visitors using screen readers or browsers with image loading disabled can understand what they're missing. It's a step that often enhances your site's user experience. Afterward, you have the chance to play around in the Appearance tab. This is where you can truly make your GIF shine. Customize it by adjusting its size, position on the page, and even its shape. These subtleties allow you to make sure it integrates seamlessly with the rest of your site's design. Once you're satisfied with the appearance and placement, simply click on the Done button. This will save your changes and make sure your new GIF is ready for the world to see. Remember, every tweak you make should serve your site's overall aesthetic and functionality, drawing viewers in and engaging them effectively. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add a GIF to your card.co site. By personalizing your website with these dynamic visuals, you're sure to make a lasting impression. Thanks for watching and happy building.